Salve galera, que tá falando é o Arthur e hoje estou trazendo um vídeo de esse joguinho aqui que é igualzinho Minecraft. Eu comecei algumas fases e tal e tal.
Oh, great. There's Lucas and the Ocelot. Continues.
Man, they've got matching leather jackets and everything.
So cool.
Well. If it isn't the Order of the Losers.
Great. Fail squad's here.
Lucas, get a load of these losers. Let's go, guys.
Name, please?
Axel. And how do you do?
No, your team name.
Team name? We are not ready for this.
So much for losing anonymously. We're the Dead Enders.
Whoa. Sounds like a name for pirates.
It's cool.
Okay, Dead Enders. You guys are in booth 5.
Ah!
Deixa eu ver aqui, tem um barco que eu tenho um barco.
Nope.
Is that a freaking beacon? They have a freaking beacon? Freaking beacon?
That's stained glass. They aren't just building a beacon. They're building a rainbow beacon. We're gonna lose.
Oh, beacon sounds awesome. Almost as awesome as us, am I right, guys? I have no idea how we're gonna beat that. Don't leave me hanging.
This might be too much for us to handle.
Ah, esqueci que eu ia construir.
Look, it's the Order of the Losers again.
Good one, Gil.
We're just looking. There'll be plenty of time for you all to look at it after it wins and gets shown at EnderCon.
You're being unpleasant.
Maybe not all of you. EnderCon doesn't allow outside food or drink. I'm talking about your pig.
You really shouldn't mess with Ruben.
I do what I want. Besides, what harm can a pig do? Keep talking and find out. Stop wasting your time, Aiden. We've got work to do. You're lucky I'm busy.
Hey, Jesse. Guys,
Hey, Pet.
how's the bill going?
Only time will tell, but we're optimistic.
Hey, Petra. I forgot to thank you for that Nether Star.
Hey, Lucas. Not a problem.
You help these tools?
For the right price, I'll help anyone. If you need anything, you know where to find me.
None of us know where to find you.
Exactly.
No hard feelings, guys. If you're cool with Petra, you're cool with us. So why don't we just forget about all this and, you know, make this about how cool our builds are?
We're going to crush you.
I don't know if you know this, but we're pretty good. Oh, wait. I get it. It's like a joke, right?
No, I'm serious. We're going to destroy you.
You know, you're really funny. That's awesome. Hey, good luck.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the EnderCon building competition. The winners of this year's competition will have their build featured at EnderCon. The winners will also meet in person Gabriel the Warrior.
Whoa, handshake? We don't have a handshake.
We'll just make one up. We'll call it the Warrior Whip.
And just like that, I'm nervous again.
Don't talk like that. We can do this. Just stick to the plan and everything will be fine. This year, the Dead Enders can't lose.
Let's do it.
Building starts
worry about your build, we'll worry about ours. Now, the moment of truth.
Here goes nothing. This looks so cool. We'll win this for sure.
Gotta admit, centerpiece sweet. Good call, Jesse.
Guys, people are looking at us.
Good build, man. What? Wait. It's just a bunch of dyed wool. Whoops.
Oh no, Ruben's on fire! Ruben, no, come back!
The lava's getting closer.
Ruin the build.
Ruben's going to get lost. We've got to do something.
But our build is about to go up in flames.
Gotta get Ruben.
We're right behind you.
Agora nós vai à caça.
I don't see him anywhere. Ruben?
The sun's going down. We got to find him fast.
He could have gone anywhere, and this part of the woods is huge.
We stand a better chance of finding him if we split up.
If either of you get lost, just use the lights from Endercon to make your way back to town. Got it?
Got it.
Como já fiz essa missão, já sei onde que ela deve estar já.
Ruben? Where are you? Just give me an oink if you can hear me. Must have run by here. Ruben, are you in there? Yeah. Ruben, it's getting scary out here. Ruben? Ruben! Oh no, you in there, buddy? Oh, jeez, please don't be toasted, Ruben. Ruben, there you are. You're in big trouble, Ruben. Do you have any idea how worried I was?
Bate no vento. Ui. Quebrou.
I know it's bad. I'll think of something. You're gonna have to make a run for it, okay? I'll meet you back in town, I promise. Get out of here now! Ah! Ah! Get off me! Ah!
Come on, let's get out of the open.
Nossa.
I want to show you something.
Not that this isn't a really cool, dimly lit tunnel, but how far away is this?
Bom, galera, esse vídeo vai ficando por aqui. A gente continua na próxima. Tchau. Até no outro dia que o meu celular tá descarregando. Agora sim. Não esqueça de deixar seu like. Não se esqueça de se inscrever. Se eu conseguir deixar o link desse jogo aí na descrição. E vou deixar o link na descrição. O canal do Bruno vai estar na descrição. E o canal do Lucas também vai estar na descrição. Se vocês quiserem passar e dar uma olhada lá. Então, até a próxima. Fui.